Good morning students. Today now let us continue the chapter Coordinate Geometry Session 3. First we see the section formula. The coordinates of the point P of x comma y which divide the line segment joining the points a x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 internally in the ratio m is to n. A line AB divides P in the point internally in the ratio m is to n. To find the point P, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus 1, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Next, the ratio in which P divides AB is k is to 1. Then the coordinates of the point P will be kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, comma ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. To find the ratio, find out பண்ணக்கூடிய formula. To find ratio find out பண்ணக்கூடிய formula kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, comma ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. AB P is given. K is to 1. K is a m is to n. M is to n oda value than k. M is to n. Dividing by n on both sides. M by n is to 1. M by n oda name than k is to 1. The ratio of the k is m is to n. Third, the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P of x1 comma y1 and Q of x2 comma y2 is AB is a 2 points. The midpoint find out பண்ணக்கூடிய formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. A point x1 comma y1, b oda value x2 comma y2. Therefore the midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Exercise 7.2. First question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 of minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Using the first formula, let P of x comma y be the required point using the section formula. Let A be here 2 points minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. Let P is internally divided in the ratio 2 is to 3 is given. 2 is to 3. 2 oda value m, 3 oda value n. This point x1 comma y1, this point x2 comma y2, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, m is to n. Find the value of P by using the section formula P of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Putting the value in the formula, m oda value 2 x2 oda value 4, 2 into 4 plus n oda value 3 into x1 oda value minus 1 by m plus n, 2 plus 3, comma m oda value 2, y2 oda value minus 3 plus 3 into n oda value y1 oda value 7 by m plus 1 oda value applying 2 plus 3. Next, 2 4s are 8, plus into minus minus, 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 3 oda value 5, comma 2 into minus 3 oda value minus 6, 7 3s are 21 by 2 plus 3 oda value 5, 8 minus 3 oda value 5 by 5, comma 21 minus 6 subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா 15 by 5. Cancellation, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, comma 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. Therefore the point P is 1 comma 3. The coordinates point of P value is 1 comma 3. Internally in the divide the point 1 comma 3. Second question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. ABC a given line. 4 comma minus 1 is a x1 comma y1 point. minus 2 comma minus 3 is a x2 comma y2 is trisection of the line segment 3 line segment split பண்றாங்க PQ P and Q. Let P and Q are points of trisection of the line segment joining the given points. AB என்ற point PQ என்ற the 2 points 3 section split பண்றாங்க 1 2 3. Therefore the coordinates of AB internally in the ratio in the ratio P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2 1 1 1. Therefore the ratio of P left hand side oda value 1 right hand side remaining value 2 1:2. Therefore M N the P internally in the ratio 1:2 the value of M1 N2. Therefore P divides AB into 1:2. Applying the section formula P of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. The value of m 1 x2 oda value minus 2 plus n 2 x1 oda value 4 by 1 plus 2 comma m oda value 1 y2 oda value minus 3 plus n oda value 2 into y1 oda value minus 1 by m plus n 1 plus 2. P 1 into minus 2 oda value minus 2 plus 4 2s are 8 by 3 comma 1 into minus 3 minus 3 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by 3. 8 minus 2 oda value 6 by 3 comma minus 3 minus 2 oda value minus 5 by 3. Cancelling 1 3s are 3 2 3s are 6. Therefore the point P of 2 comma minus 5 by 3 simplification 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Therefore the point P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Next Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Left hand side oda value paranga 1 1 1 plus 1 2. Therefore this side 2 right hand side oda value 1. Therefore 2:1. Q divided internally in the ratio 2:1. Therefore m is to n. Q oda ratio m oda value 2 n oda value 1. Applying the section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. M oda value 2:1. M oda value 2 n oda value 1. 2 into x2 oda value minus 2 plus 1 into x1 oda value 4 by 2 plus 1 m plus n 2 plus 1 comma 2 into y2 oda value minus 3 plus n oda value 1 into y1 oda value minus 1 by m plus n 2 plus 1. 2 into minus 2 oda value minus 4 plus 1 into 4 oda value 4 by 3 comma 2 3s are minus 6 plus into minus minus 1 by 3. 4 minus 4 oda value 0 0 by anything oda value 0 comma minus 6 minus 7 oda value minus 7 by 3. Therefore the point Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Under flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. As shown in figure 7.12, Nigarika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on second line and posted green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD. See the figure. ABCD is the rectangular ground. Nigariki runs 1/4 of the distance of AD. Nigariki the points, point let M, choose. Preet runs the point N. Find the question. The distance between the point Mn. Second question, the midpoint of Mn. The midpoint of Mn. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining of two flags. The two flags between la Rashmi run பண்றாங்க. Therefore, first question, the distance between the Mn. Second question, the midpoint of Mn. Find the midpoint of Mn. The coordinates points of M, the x-axis distance 1, 2, x-axis order distance x1, 2, find the y value. Nikita posted the green flag at 1/4 of the distance AD. 1/4 distance la run பண்றாங்க. 1/4 into AD ஓட value total distance is a 100 parts. Therefore 1 meter, 2, 3, 4 etc. 100 parts. The total distance 100. Therefore 1/4 into 100. Therefore 1 4s are 4. 25 4s of 100. 25 meter. The point M is 2, 25. Therefore x oda value 2. The y length Nikrita runs in a place is 25. 2, 25. The point M is 2, 25. Next, to find the point N, the value of x-axis is 8. 8, find the distance y. Similarly, post runs flag at 1/5 of AD. Therefore, 1/5 into 100. Total distance 100. Therefore, 1 5s are 5. 25s are 100. 20. Therefore 1 into 20 oda value 20 meter. The point N is 8, 20. 8, 20. Therefore N oda value, X oda value 8, Y value distance 20. 8, 20. Find out the first question. The distance between flags Mn. Nikrita and Preeti distance is Mn. Mn equal to using the distance formula x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. The value of x1 2 minus 8 the whole square plus 25 minus 20 the whole square. 2 minus 8 oda value minus 6 the whole square. Minus 6 square பண்ணீங்கன்னா 36 plus 25 minus 20 oda value 5 square. 5 square oda value 25. Therefore 36 plus 25 61. Therefore root 61 meter is a distance between the two flags, Nikrita and Preeti flags. Find out the next question. To midpoint of Mn is a Rashmi position. The midpoint of Mn. M oda midpoint la Rashmi run பண்றாங்க. Midpoint position, Rashmi position is a midpoint of Mn. So using the third formula, the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 oda value 2, 25, x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore 2 plus 8 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Therefore 2 plus 8 oda value 10 by 2, 25 plus 20 oda value 25, 45 by 2, 45 by 2. Therefore 10 by 2 oda value 5, 45 by 2 oda value 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 22.5. Therefore Rashmi should post her blue flag at Rashmi blue flag எடுத்து ரன் பண்ணக்கூடிய distance 22.5 meter on the fifth line. On the fifth line, it is a midpoint. It is the fifth line. Midpoint பாருங்க. Fifth line ரன் பண்ணக்கூடிய distance 22.5 meter. Fourth question. Find the ratio in which the line joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Minus 3, 10 is a value, 6, minus 8 is a B point. The divides point p oda value is also is given minus 1 comma 6 minus 1 comma 6. Find the ratio m is to n oda value find பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Let a be internally in the ratio k is to 1. k oda value தான் m is to n. k oda value m is to n choose பண்ணிருக்கோம். First formula let a be internally in the ratio k is to 1. By using the section formula p of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n equal to the value of p minus 1 comma 6 minus 1 comma 6. Apply the value m k x2 oda value this x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2. Therefore k into 6 plus n oda value 1 x1 oda value minus 3 by k plus 1 comma m oda value k into minus 8 plus n oda value 1 into y1 oda value 10 by k plus 1 equal to minus 1 comma 6. Multiplying k into 6k 1 into minus 3 oda value minus 3 by k plus 1 comma minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1 equal to minus 1 comma 3. This is the coordinates points of x comma y equal to x comma y. Choosing any one value x equal to x or y equal to y, your choice. X equal to x or y equal to y, choosing your choice. Choosing the first value x equal to x, 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 equal to minus 1. Multiplying k plus 1 right hand side, 6k minus 3 equal to minus 1, divide right hand side panna multiply into k plus 1. 6k minus 3 equal to minus 1 into k oda value minus 1, minus 1 to plus 1 oda value minus 1. Find the value of k, 6k minus k left hand side vanda plus k equal to minus 3 right hand side move pannina plus 3 minus 1. 6k plus k oda value 7k, 3 minus 1 oda value 2. Therefore k equal to 2 by 7. Therefore the required ratio m is to n. This value m, this value n. 2 is to 7. 2 is to 7. Suppose the k oda value 3 irundal, therefore m is to n oda value 3 is to 1 அப்படி ரைட் பண்ணோம் by 1 இருக்கிற போல 3 is to 1. Suppose k oda value 1 அப்படின்னு எடுத்தீங்கன்னா m is to n oda value 1 is to 1 1 by 1 1 ரைட் பண்ணலாம். the ratio 1 is to 1 அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணணும். Therefore the required ratio 2 is to 7. Fifth question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points a b is divided in the x-axis. A oda value 1 comma minus 5, b oda value minus 4 comma 5. Divided x-axis, the p point is given x-axis oda value x comma 0. Y-axis are choose பண்ணிருந்தா 0 comma y. Therefore choosing the x value x comma 0, p is given x comma 0. Also find the coordinates of the division. First find the ratio. Second, also find the coordinates point of division x comma 0. X oda value find out பண்ணனும். Second question இதல. Let a be internally in the ratio k is to 1. First question, find the ratio. Therefore choosing ratio k is to 1. Let a be divided internally in the ratio k is to 1 by using the section formula mx2 x1 y1 x2 y2 m n m x2 m x2 plus n x1 by m plus 1 comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus 1 equal to p oda value x comma 0. Simplifying k into minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1 comma 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to x comma 0. Therefore x comma y equal to x comma y. Choosing any value, select in second value y. 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to 0. Cross multiplying 0 into anything 0. 5k minus 5 equal to 0. 5k minus 5 right hand side pona plus 5. K equal to 5 by 5 oda value 1. Therefore the x divided in the ratio 1:1. K oda value தான் m/n. Therefore 1 எப்படி write பண்ணலாம் 1:1. Next find the value of x. X oda value minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1. Minus 4 k oda value 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 equal to minus 4 into 4 1 minus 4 plus 1 by 2 equal to minus 4 plus 1 oda value minus 3 by 2. Therefore the point of division minus 3 by 2 comma 0. X comma 0 oda value minus 3 by 2 comma 0.